Hi, didn't see you there, but also wasn't looking. It's my favorite time of day. 12:34, 1, 2, 3, 4, amen. I just made some coffee. I figured a chit chat get ready with me would be a good, fun way to kick off doing a YouTube video. I don't know. I'm gonna start off with moisturizer because you know your girl has dry skin. This is La Roche-Posay. It's for the face and body, so it's amazing. It really like keeps the skin hydrated all day. Oh yes, feels so good. I have neglected YouTube for a long time, and honestly I love YouTube. I think it's so fun, it's so cool, it's a creative outlet, it's a creative expression. These are the foundations I'm using today, Born This Way and Sheer Radiance from NARS. It's such a great expressive outlet, but I also feel like because makeup is my profession, my hobbies are different than my job. So even if you look at my stats or my analytics for YouTube, my camera has been doing this weird thing where it just dies out of nowhere. Anyway, my highest views as just being a hobby YouTuber are on my travel vlogs. And honestly, I think it's because I love filming travel vlogs and I love traveling. I get excited about editing that. And then it's like when I make a beauty video, I feel like I would rather make that from like a client than, I don't know, we'll get there. It's finding a happy balance of what makes you happy, because people who watch your videos, they can see right through stuff that's just made for views and stuff that's made from the heart. I think it's like a hidden superpower. Anyways, I'm using Bye Bye Under Eye. Literally again, the camera died. It's not even dying, it's just saying it's busy and then turning off the recording. Like nobody's touching the recording, girl. Why you gotta shut off? I don't know. How's everybody's skin doing now that it's getting colder in New York? Mine just is dry, if not drier. I just washed my brushes, my own brushes. I have so many brushes that I own for myself, and then the brushes I use on clients, I spot wash and deep clean every day / every week, deep clean. But brushes on my own, I have so many that I'll use them and then I'll toss them in a bin, and then I'll use a clean one. But it's like I'm going through the thousands of clean ones that I own, and then you just have a giant bin of brushes that need help. I washed them all yesterday and it's literally the best feeling. So Charlotte Tilbury, my powder broke, and this powder is $50, so we're using it. I love Charlotte Tilbury. I think her products are amazing and I think she's fabulous. But that price point, girl, that is high-end stuff, but honestly it's worth it. So like, I get it. It's a far jump from what I'm used to spending on makeup, but I think it's totally worth what she charges, but I just wish it was a bump down. You know how like Sephora is kind of like middle range? I don't think that's what Charlotte is going for. I think she's going for that high-end makeup, and it performs that way, so I'm not upset about it. I'm just like, wow, I'm not used to that. And also she does give a pro discount, but honestly I think her pro discount is not enough, if I'm being super honest, because I could go on and on, but I understand she wants that high-end experience for people, and it does deliver that way, like I said. I'm just going to ask for it for Christmas because it adds up, girl. See, that's the thing. You are a professional makeup artist and you know the struggle of having to buy a kit and spending money on a kit, and how it adds up very quickly, especially since you have to have all different shades for everybody, and oily skin, dry skin, normal skin. If I'm offering feedback that I wasn't asked about, it would be just to offer at least the pro discount a little bit more. Whatever. Using Anesthesia. Is it Anesthesia or is it Anastasia? Somebody please confirm. Thank you. I feel like it's Anastasia, but everybody's so used to that Disney movie, Anastasia. Anyway, oh, update. My background, where the heck am I? I moved out. Plot twist. My boyfriend and I moved in together. We found our dream apartment. It's incredible. Literally manifested that one. My boyfriend and I have been together for almost 10 years, I want to say. Let's actually do the math. 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 7 years. Okay, I exaggerated. It feels like 10. I'm not saying that in any sort of way. And I'm hoping to do a lot more videos now that I have more free time and more things on my terms, like kitchen on my terms, on our terms, bedroom, bathroom, like everything. And I love decorating, and I've gotten awesome feedback from my friends on my plans for this place, so I'm excited to share and just do some fun videos, because like I was saying before, it's important to put out things that you're passionate about. One, people read right through it, but also you have to do things that make you happy in this life, and to just like slave away over content or creating something that you're not passionate about is just a waste of time and energy for you and for other people. It's funny, obviously I do makeup as my career, but as far as every day, I don't like wearing crazy makeup. I just like doing a soft everyday look for every day. Hello, wake up brain. Does that make sense? I don't like caking on the makeup for every day. I mean, this is just my opinion as a professional makeup artist. You don't need to do that whole Instagram for every day, and I've seen it like so much. And trust me, I get it, it's fun, it's expressive, it's amazing, but I feel like some people feel like the pressure to have that much makeup on every day once they start doing it a lot. And I used to do such crazy eyeshadow in high school. It was so fun. If I did face makeup, it would just be a lot. But you know what? To each their own. Always do what makes you feel good. And for me, it's 2 eyeshadows, a shadow liner, and some mascara for eyes. Not doing anything too crazy, because I like keeping a balance between what you look like every day and what you look like when you go out. Like, you want there to be some sort of jump so that you feel like you look different. Not necessarily to impress people, but so that it's like, I'm trying to figure out my wording here. Keeping it soft for every day so that there's a contrast when you go out, that it looks different. Just a nice balance. I don't know, does that make sense? I hope I'm making sense, but otherwise, you know, that's just me personally. Do whatever makes you happy in the long run. Blondes, when they put on a black mascara, it's night and day. This is my favorite mascara at the moment. It's called Big, Monsieur Big, from Lancome Focus. There we go. This next to It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara are my 2 favorite mascaras. My favorite way to put this on is to use the front part of it and just swipe through the lashes to get them coated, and then go from behind, comb the back of the lashes. It'll look crazy at first, and then go up to comb them out, because that kind of just distributes the product. This gives that full false lash look. And every time I wear this, people are like, are those your real lashes? Are you wearing lashes? I'm like, no girl, they real. Can you see that? Who is blowing up my phone? Oh, see, now it's still recording. That one a good while without shutting off on me. So strange. Don't get the G7X, or do, I don't know, get it at your own risk. I've literally sent this camera back 5 times. The screen on the back pops off, and now we're having this issue. And I love Canon, I'm like a big fan. I love this camera. I don't know what it is about this model, it just has so many issues all the time. It's not a cheap one either. I'm gonna do little touch-ups in the mirror that I can look at myself, because I feel like I've been paying more attention to the screen. Okay, now I'm in a different room. I'm in our office slash creator studio room of our apartment. This is where I'm going to take clients, basically the creative room. But because I have this really cool bun going on, I'm just gonna touch up a few pieces and kind of make it pretty. So I'm just taking a 1-inch curling iron to just finesse the natural curls. About the extent I'm going to do. Then I'm gonna make a cool, fun bun. I'm not a hairstylist, but I am an artist, so we try to make things work. See, that looked better when I woke up. I actually just realized I might as well fix the bun once I'm dressed, because I'm gonna be putting things over my head, and you know the bun struggle. Let's pick out something. Vlogging is so funny. Like, 2018 is just insane. It's like, help me pick out something, camera, but meanwhile you're gonna watch it later, and you're gonna be you who's watching, but like here right now I'm talking to myself. It's amazing. I kind of already know what I want to wear. I bought this yoga style hooded t-shirt. It's like, I don't even know, you know, a casual shirt, but then I'm gonna do some jewelry and maybe a scarf and just make it a little bit more, wow, that white balance. Make it a little bit more professional and dressy, and maybe put some booties with it. Let me tell you, doing makeup, you gotta be comfortable while you do that. I mean, you could do whatever you want, but it's good feeling good about yourself. But at the end of the day, being comfortable is most important to me. That's why sometimes I'll wear sneakers to work. But it's all about how you put it all together and keep it professional. You don't want to show up like sleazy, but you also don't want to show up uncomfortable, and you don't want to show up, you can show up however you want, honestly, but I prefer comfort so that I can do my best work for everybody. So I'm gonna get dressed and fix this hair. Put the hoodie on, put this necklace like bib thing. I'm very experimental with my wardrobe. I really don't care what people think, and I like expressing myself through it. So even though this might not be your cup of tea, it's mine. I just like having fun with it. This button still needs some finesse. I woke up with it so good, I feel like, but it was just a little too reckless, a little too quick, right? I'll show you my booties. Booties. The scent of the day is my signature scent, and if it's yours, let me know. It's Givenchy, I don't know, very irresistible. Just spritz that everywhere. I'm all about scents and experiences when it comes to doing makeup, so I love smelling good and making people feel good. You know, face shape is everything. I'm gonna have to have like 17,000 pins in my head right now. Can't wait. Maybe I'll just go with a ponytail. All right, the bun didn't work out. We went with the pony. I'm liking this so much better. It took way less effort, and this is complete. I love this. I would love to put earrings with this, but I feel like I'm just going to somebody's house. I was going to also say I love working in these booty heels because I'm 5'3", I'm super short, so I like being a little bit taller. It's amazing. Thanks for getting ready with me today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll be making more soon.